Profit Meet Review. Hi guys, what's up? This is Arvind from arvind-naya.com and a warm welcome back to Profit Meet Review and Demo. So as usual, I will take you through the members area. So this is the members area. I've got access to the members area. I will show around the members area. I will also take you through sales page and also I will go through some exclusive bonuses which I have provided. So please stay tuned till end of this video. And if you like my product review, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Right. So what's Profit Meet? As you know, in the name itself, Profit Meet. So it's basically to meet and greet people via your internet. So before, in a nutshell, Profit Meet is a webinar conference call software, which will host unlimited uh, webinars, unlimited video calls. You can record those, and you can invite people to it, and all your security features are enabled. So that's a one-line summary for this particular product. So before going into the product in detail, as I told, I have created exclusive bonus for you. So let me take you through the bonuses first. So the bonus number one I'm going to give you is make money using autoresponder marketing technique. So one of the major things which has in this particular software is you can collect leads. There is an autoresponder inbuilt with this, but one of the things which is lacking is you don't utilize those people who are coming to the list. So I am going to give you a bonus where you collect the leads using the product Profit Meet, and you can actually profit or you can actually monetize those particular leads using my particular bonus. So this hack would definitely give you money and enable to invest more onto your other subscribers, and in the net what you're going to do is, based on your people who are coming to your webinars, you can actually start monetizing those customers. So that's the first bonus I'm going to give you. The second bonus I'm going to give you is build your list with goodwill. This is again a tool which will help you to increase your list. You can actually make sure you create more people. So list is nothing but your subscribers. So you can actually increase your subscribers, and this particular tool, it's actually a tool, it's a software I'm giving you, which will help you to go in detail to understand how you can provide or enlarge, or what's the right word, expand your subscriber list. As you know, the money is in the list. So if you have more people in your list, the more money you're going to make. So this is the bonus I'm going to give as a number two bonus I'm going to give you if you purchase this particular product from my link down below. Right, the third bonus is one of the other things which is lacking in this Profit Meet is, you have autoresponders in integrated. Sorry, I don't know, somehow I'm missing my words here. You have autoresponders integrated, but what you need to do is you need to communicate properly to the people who have actually joined your webinar, or if you're trying to sell certain products, you need to target those subscribers in a very neat and clean and sharp manner. So I'm going to give you 2000 copy paste emails as a bonus, where you can target and use these as a templates. You just have to change some. If you want to edit certain things, go ahead and do it. Otherwise, it's already made. You can just start sending emails right there, and this will help you again to keep your confidence with your customers, and the customers would be more inclined towards getting more offers and benefits from you. The basic reason why I'm saying is email marketing is one of the key things. As you know, sometimes people won't buy certain products watching your webinar. So it's a human nature. They might come back as later. But if you don't send them reminders or the correct emails for follow-ups, they don't, potentially come back. Even they are interested, they might forget, because a lot of things happen. So emails are very strong ways to communicate, and this particular bonus I'm going to give you will, you don't have to do basically any work, just copy it and send it over to your subscribers. So that's a bonus number three. The bonus number four I'm going to give you is Bing ad. So basically, if you know Google Ads, it's very expensive. You can it's minimum. You can, yes, you can use $1 or $10, but you don't going to get any sale out of it. You need to spend in hundreds and thousands so that you can make a sale. Of course. If people are willing to do that, that's fine, but what I'm going to give you is a high tutorial where you can make money using Bing ads. And Bing ads, the speciality of Bing ads is very, very cheap. It's like zero point zero 0.01 cents, and you will get leads. They are targeting specifically for audience who come in Bing, and currently the market is almost like 33% people are searching in Bing. So that is itself is a huge business. 33% of the whole population in terms of internet population is looking into Bing. Of course, Google is the giant, but again, even that 33% is a huge, huge number. And I'm going to give you a tutorial where you can actually start building ads in Bing and how to do it in a very, very cheap and effective way. That's a bonus number four. The bonus number five I'm going to give you is boost your SEO. So if you have a website, uh, and if you have a blog, you might be struggling to find it in the top one or two positions in the search engine of Google. But this particular hack would help you to rank consistently in number one, two, three, or four, or at least in the first page. I'm not promising that you will be in the first place when you start, but this technique will help you to at least gain in the first page, so that people will come, and whoever searches, for example, your blog or your websites or your products, you can actually be assured that it will be ranking in your first page. So this is a bonus I'm going to give you as bonus number five. The bonus number six is build a website from scratch. So many people who are starting, or even who had built a website, may have a lot of questions on how to do it, how to make sure, what are the best techniques. For example, if you have a website, you need to build pages, you need to have posts, and there are a lot of people who struggle in building an additional post. It is time consuming, and you will have a lot of questions in terms of how will I make sure the page is working, what are the contents I need to put, how will I put a link to it, what are the major features I need to consider. So either people stop doing it, or they will go to other places like Fiverr, or or another places. I don't want to go in detail, but find a person who can do it. And building a website, you need to pay at least for building a website in a good Fiverr associated with it. It's not, again, minimum $200 if you want to do 5 pages with all your details, etc., etc. It's minimum $200. I can assure you. Yeah, you can build one page, but again, I don't know if that's going to help you. But 5 pages is a standard segment of a web page is going to cost you minimum 150 to 200 quid. So this bonus will help you to exactly build your website, yeah, and also will help you to understand the easy techniques to make sure what are the things you need to highlight, like certain tools I'm going to tell you in this particular bonus. So that's a bonus number six, and you are going to get all the vendor bonuses which is promised as part of this particular product. So you can shop around. I can 100% shoot these are exclusive bonus for me, and this is all created by me. You will not find these bonuses anywhere else, but you're free to roam out and come back to my page if you want to purchase this product. So what you need to do is, if you want to purchase this product, click on any of the links here. It will take you through the sales page. Click on the link, and what you'll do is it will go through Warrior Plus. And once you purchase this product, you will find a blue button which is called access your affiliate bonuses. Once you access your affiliate bonus or click on that blue button, all the bonuses will be there for you to get started and get going. So what you need to do is click on the link down below if you're watching through my YouTube. So click on the link below. It will come you through. It will take you through this my particular bonus page which I've created exclusively for you. Click on any of the links. It will take you to the sales page. Once you purchase the sale, you will find a blue button called Access Your Affiliate Bonuses, and all your bonuses would be available. Right. So that's the product bonuses I'm going to give, not product bonuses, the bonus I'm going to give away if you want to purchase this particular product through my link below. Now, let me go through the product in detail. As I told, it's a one-line summary. It's a webinar conference call software that allows you host unlimited video meetings, live conferences, or webinar on our cloud infrastructure for a low one-time fee. So, guys, what I've done is I'm just going to Zoom. Yeah, it's actually a Zoom killer. That's a headlines for the sales page as well. So I will show you the Zoom. So if you look at the Zoom numbers, for 100 attendees for a webinar, yeah, it is costing you around, and that's 80%, 80 pound, $80 saving, right? It's costing you around $400 for a year for that license. And 500 attendees, you're see the amount, 4,400. And these are the numbers. Okay, so this is just the webinar, and if you add phone, it's an again another thing, and then you can actually, oh, it's then Zoom meetings. You can understand how much Zoom meetings are going to cost again. Right, so for Zoom meetings it's going to do $150. So for small and medium, where you can only host up to 300 participants, it's 100 and $200, right? So these are the prices for Zoom. So which will have, like, video conferencing, phones, webinars, and Zoom rooms. Zoom rooms are also very expensive. I'm not going into detail. So what I was trying to explain here is these are the pricing for Zoom, and this particular product is going to cover more than Zoom. So ProfitMeet allows unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption that protects privacy and personal data. You can stream, record videos if you don't want to be live. Yeah, so if you don't want to be live, you can record the videos. That feature is also there, which is another added feature, which again Zoom does have. But I'm saying other softwares, I don't know, in market there are a lot of softwares which is showing that it'll not have those. ProfitMeet allows to run live, simulated live, or pre-recorded webinars, included done for you affiliate offers to promote. So they have got done for you offers as well. And the advantage is, you can actually do a pre-recorded, recorded, or live webinars. It has built-in autoresponders for automatic webinar reminders. You do video calls with friends, clients, business partners with zero log and crisp quality. So one of the key things which I wanted to highlight is autoresponders. Autoresponders by itself is very expensive. It depends on which plan you're going to take, but basically if you're going to take a autoresponder, it will cost you somewhere around easily to 20 to 25 sorry, 20 to $100 minimum per month, depending on the plan and depending on which is the provider you're going with an autoresponder. So you can understand how much saving you're going to make in this particular product, all inclusive, your webinar inclusive, your live chats, your live recordings, your rooms, your attendees, unlimited attendees. I've just shown you how it's different with Zoom. Zoom has got, if you want 500 attendees, you're going to pay $1,500. So that's the difference. Yeah, ProfitMeet also sends any links to any offers to all your attendees with one click, with no monthly fees, and it's just one-time fees. So again, for example, you have what you call, certain people have attended certain products you're selling in your webinar, and you need to send them emails. This will remind people after 3 hours, after 5 hours, after 7 hours. If you know, guys, there is webinars software. Ever webinar is also another competitor, not competitor, it's actually a major company which sells webinar. But again, the amount is $500 per, I think it's per year, $500 per year. But again, you have to spend that amount to get this that particular product, and you need to built all these integrated tools like autoresponsor, but here everything is included. So that's some of the key advantages, and I am completely blown away with the features they have in this particular product. Like, you have got live recordings, you have got autoresponders inbuilt, you also have got calls you can make. These are some of the things which are very, very vital for making sure a product is very good. And I like this product. I've absolutely mind blown because of all these features. Right, so that's the product. Let me go to the dashboard. So this is the landing page. It's a very simple, straightforward landing page, and the software you don't have basically do anything. It's very easy. You can start the meeting over here, or you can go to the dashboard and you can start an instant meeting. So you can actually start a meeting. I'll click on it. So select a meeting. I'm not going into detail of audio conferencing live or podcast. So what I'm going to do is go to meetings. Uh, where did it go? I was just trying to go to the webinar meetings. One second, let me see. Okay, this is a meeting room. Okay, not this one. Start a meeting. Yeah, there you go. So start a meeting, audio conference. It's very simple. I'm not going to click on that because it's very simple. It's very self-explanatory. Audio conference start immediately. But the interesting feature over here is the webinar. Click on the webinar. I'm going to show you just the webinar details here. Yeah, some required device unreachable because yes, because I'm actually speaking over this. So, okay, uh, click it to go live. Okay, that's fine. So basically, what will happen is once you click it to get live, I can't show you this because the reason is I'm actually recording this particular section using a different software, so you can't go live because of that. Okay, so basically what will happen is in the webinar section you can share, you can actually chat, you can also have back end meeting device bandwidth, all those stuff. Unfortunately, I can't click to give live, but that's how it is. It is very simple. You don't have to go in detail to understand anything. It's basically the dashboard. Before, okay, just step ahead. So you have the dashboard, you have instant meeting. I've just shown you the same thing with meetings. Whatever meetings you have done, it will be mentioned over here, just like this. Then you have got segments. Basically, segments are nothing but your list. So you can actually put your profit meet meetings over here. You can actually put something else, some other clients. You can even put a customer site for here for meetings. So all those can be done in segments. Contacts are nothing but whoever have attended your training, or even actually you can add your own contact list, like your own people. If you're working as a small private company, you can add those as a contact. Yeah, and then you have got users. So basically, who would be the users? Basically, who is going to do who's going to do the presentation, who's going to host this, who's going to be a moderator. All those things can be done. And then you have got to dos. Basically, it will tell you what are the various things you need to do. So if I click on instant meetings, you can start a meeting, you can join a meeting, you can get a link out of it, and you can join a meeting. And you have got all the history meetings. Now meetings are basically what I told you is what are the meetings you have done. And then you come to segments. I've shown you, as I told, you can segregate the people or categories of these meetings into different segments. You have your contacts over here. Yeah, and then you have your users, who are the users for this particular one, and all those features are included. So you can, if you want any help, always there is support. 24/7 support is there, and they will also automatically upgrade the software in case they have a problem, or they're going to upgrade any bug fix, etc. So that's where this is important, and this is where you can actually chat with the live support team every time it is there. Here it will actually have more options, like you can print, you can get all these details, you can export to PDF, all those stuff is there. So for example, you have got a huge user list, you want to export or print it, then you can use this feature. And this is where you can actually insert your columns. You can actually create it at all those things can be done. And if you want to filter with certain meetings, for example, you want to do there are a lot of meetings you have organized and you're not able to do it, you can filter with all those stuff. You can also add new users. Yeah, so that's basically about the users, contacts, and that's how the yes, leave the page, and that's how the dashboard looks like, and that's how the tool or particular product looks like. So coming back to the pricing, so the front end price is costing you $17 with a downsell of 15, but 17 is the price which is going to be available for you during the launch period, and the prices are going to increase. So front end is what I've just shown you. All those stuff is there, including my bonuses. Everything is included for $17. As I told, compare this with the Zoom video webinars, you'll understand how much is going to you're going to save on this particular. And again, you've got a 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, it's a no-brainer. So that's a front end. Upsell number one is Pro Unlimited Edition, where you have certain additional features, like you have, for example, you have got more users you can add, and you can give more authority for presenters and all those stuff. You have got ProfitMeet Enterprise, which is going for $47. You have got ProfitMeet Done for You Edition for $39, where they have certain done for you campaigns already there. So you need to just log into your webinar and start broadcasting to the people so that they can actually come over and see, and they, if they're interested, they can buy, and then you can make profit out of it. So that's a Done for You edition. Then ProfitMeet Reseller Edition, I don't have to explain. You can resell the rights. So that's how it is. So it's costing you $197, and IMX bundle is costing you $197. So that is the pricing. And if you're interested in this product, I strongly recommend you take it. And in every review videos, I do a pros and cons. So some of the pros are, create unlimited video conferences, live classes, webinars, and unlimited attendees. I think that's a very, very strong point. Many of your video or webinars doesn't have unlimited audiences because it will be restricted. Now you have got unlimited audiences. Record your sessions and share your screen, turn your virtual camera and go crazy. Yeah, so that's how it is. Comes with a dashboard, better and more powerful than Zoom, Skype, or GoToWebinar. Create unlimited meetings, have live anytime you want, all for one-time fees. And that is the keyword, one-time fees. Full-fledged online webinar solution. You also will get all commercial rights. Absolutely. Yeah. So offer these incredible services to clients. So basically it's not resell rights, it's commercial rights. Resell rights is Upsell, but basically you can actually start doing this for your customers. Yeah. uh, it's very fast servers with zero lag. Yes, you can, if you want, you can actually try for 30 days. If you're not finding it, you return it. I'm absolutely sure it is going to be you're going to be mind blown with this. It's very, very simple. 30 seconds, as I shown you. You don't have to do any learning here. Just go and create a webinar. Unlimited 100% autopilot, as you know, you don't have to do it, and it's 100% newbie friendly. So these are some of the pros. Now some of the cons I've told. One is you have an audience, you need to send those, you need to keep those audience engaged, and how we can monetize out of it. So these are some of the missing areas, but that is where my bonuses come into picture, and that is where I've told you you can make money using your autoresponder. So this particular product has an autoresponder. You can actually profit out of it. Also, you have got to grow your list. This is another software which I'm going Goodwill, which will again increase your money. The third thing, if you look, is copy paste email. So if you want, these are some of the things which are lacking. So these are exclusively offer bonuses I've created exclusively, so that this product is sufficient enough to make sure you're happy enough to go and cover all the cones as well. So again, Bing ad goes and then boost your SEO website, right? So that is the product in detail. Hope you like my review. If you like my review, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another review. Till then, cheers, bye.